Hello. So this particular application will allow you to add your van or vehicle details associated with your particular point of sale order. So let's see how that is possible. So we need to first enable the configurations. We will go to point of sale, configurations and settings. If I scroll down, I'll see a new configuration over here called point of sale van sales configuration. Here you can enable this if that particular order is for the van sale, if you're going to deliver that using any of the fleets that you have. Here you can mention your fleets. We already have the module here called the fleet module where you can add your fleets as well. So once you have added and configured the settings from point of sale, you have added your fleet and enabled this option, you can save this. Once you have saved this, let's see how it works. So I will go to point of sale. I will add the products here. I will add the customer and I will validate this. Once it's validated, we will have all the details in the backend. So we will go to backend and orders. So if I go to orders, you can see this is the particular order that we just created. I will go to extra information over here and I'll be able to see all the details of the fleet associated with this particular order. So if you want any particular order to be delivered via your fleet, you can always enable the option and add the details of the fleet so that the order gets associated with the fleet and you can always have the extra informations of the transfer or the fleet in the order itself. If you do not want the fleet option for other orders, you can always disable the configuration. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.